Hi, today we will be making orange and white and yellow fishtail bracelet. And if you want to make it with the base, you search my other video, which I was making it with the base. But if you've already seen it, now you can learn how to make it with your fingers. Okay, first you want to do is grab your first rubber band and make an 8. And then place it on your both fingers like this. Next, you grab your next color and you place it right on top of those, like this. Then grab one more rubber band, place it right on there, like that, like this. Okay, now what you want to do is grab this bottom one, and then you bring it to the top and you place it right there. Then you want to grab the other side and then you bring it up, place it on the top. And then you grab your next color, place it there, and you grab this bottom one, bring it to the top, then do the same thing with the other side. Grab it and bring it to the top. And then you grab your next color and then you do the same steps. You grab this one, the bottom rubber band, and bring it all the way to the top. Grab the other side of the bottom rubber band, bring it to the top. Then you grab your next color and you do the same steps. Grab the bottom one, bring it to the top. Grab the bottom one and bring it to the top. Next, you get your next rubber band, place it right here. Then you do the same thing. Grab this bottom one, bring it up, put it in the top. Grab the other bottom one, place it, and put it to the top. Then you want to stretch this out like this, and as you see, it's forming. And you can see that it's really actually forming a lot. You put a couple more rubber bands, and you do the same steps. Bring it up, and do that. Then you grab your next color and you place it up there. And your next one. And as you see, it is forming your fishtail bracelet. And you keep doing the same steps till it's as big as you want it. That's how you make a fishtail.